The BASF Tech Academy is a week-long program where we take approximately 15 high school students every year to work on a STEM-related activity in the morning, such as injection molding, 3D printing, welding, automation, etc. And then we go on an afternoon tour that kind of correlates to the activity that we did in the morning.
I learned a lot of things just in these 5 days, really 4, that we've been in, and all the people are great, and they're just here to help you, decide what career you want to be.
We started by touring Nokian Tires up in Dayton, Tennessee, where we learned about the tire manufacturing process and how they make different tires for different applications. That was followed by an activity where the students used a clay-like substance to create their own tire tread, and then they tested that tire tread for water dispersion. On Wednesday morning, we did a welding activity where the students were welding together some coupons that they then tested for tensile strength, and then in the afternoon we went to the Tennessee Aquarium and did a behind-the-scenes tour where we looked at the different piping systems and life support systems that the Tennessee Aquarium uses to operate. Students finished the week with an overview of the Bacher pilot plant at Chattanooga State, which allows the students to see a simplified, smaller scale manufacturing process.
And I think it's really important to expose the students to different disciplines in engineering, and the trades allow students to graduate from high school, maybe complete a little bit of coursework here at Chattanooga State, and then either have a certificate or a degree in their field and able to find a job with great wages.
Each year the BASF Tech Academy gets a handful of students that really don't have a good idea of what they might want to do in the future.
It helped me understand that there's a lot of options and the engineering field is bigger than what I imagined it would be.
BASF Chattanooga is very engaged in workforce development activities. The BASF Tech Academy is just one other way that we partner with local schools and work with local students to engage them and expose them to STEM careers.
BASF. We create chemistry.